Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this pink rose nail set. So to start off, I do have a fresh set of Gel X on my nails. I'm glad to have my stilettos back on. I was doing coffin for a while, but I definitely prefer my stilettos. But for the first color, we are going to use Elegance's Jelly Bean. This is from their recent spring launch. I will leave a link to swatches of those colors in the description box down below. But this is a pink jelly base with iridescent glitters mixed in. I'm going to go ahead and do a coat of this on all of my nails. Next, we're going to go in with Elegance's Lollipop, again from the same collection. This one is a brighter pink, not quite a neon pink, but it is a brighter pink. I'm going to paint this on my pinky and my pointer finger, a full nail. And then on my two middle nails as well as my thumb, I'm going to do a chevron French tip with this pink. Next, I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Gold Gel Paint, and I am going to take a striping brush, and I am going to do an outline on that chevron French tip. So you have that thicker pink border and then a thinner gold line bordering it in to give it that pop of sparkle. Next, we're going to move on to the roses that I'm going to do. I'm going to use that same pink as my base for my roses. And I'm just taking a large dotting tool and I am creating the flower base. So basically you want to create a circle but then make it uneven. Make it look like an uneven circle because those are going to be the petals of the flower. Once I have the base of the roses set, I'm going to take Elegance's Bon Bon, which is a light pink, again from that same spring collection, and I'm going to use this as my detailing for the roses. So roses can actually be fairly simple to draw on. You start with that base. Now I'm going to go in and do a dot in the center, two parentheses around it, and then you just keep going and adding on the petals, making them kind of go around. You can watch me do it here. It's hard to fully explain, but you're just adding the lines for the petals. Next, taking Elegance's Minty Fresh. This is a light pastel minty green, again from that same spring collection. We are going to use this for the leaves, for the roses. So I'm just going to take this and paint in a few leaves here and there to fill it in. And remember, when doing any sort of flowers or anything really to do with nature, it doesn't need to be perfect because nothing in nature is perfect. So the more wonky, the more different the roses, the leaves look, the better I felt like. And finally, we're going to add a little bit of gold bling. I will be taking my Super Diamond Gel Glue from Jelly Nails, as well as these metallic sunshine crystals, which are just gold crystals. I'm going to add a little bit of the Super Diamond Gel Glue where I want it. I'm kind of adding little gold accents around where the roses are to create little clusters to go with the roses. And I do use different sizes just to give it different effects, kind of like how you do bigger roses, smaller roses. I kind of want to add like just that little bit of bling in little clusters with different sizes. And finally, it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here is how my set came out. I absolutely love it. I'm not the biggest fan of pink, but for whatever reason, this pink was calling my name, and this collection was also calling my name, but I didn't want a fully pastel set, so that's why I used the brighter pink from the set. I feel like this set is just super girly, very pink, very spring-like. It's definitely like spring into summer, giving me that brightness. Like I'm ready for these warmer months. I absolutely love how the chevrons came out with the touches of gold from the outline to the accents of crystals that I used in with the flowers. It just a very pretty set of nails. And if you noticed at the beginning of the set, I did use that iridescent glitter on all of my nails, but then I covered up the two with full pink. Underneath, because I have a fresh set of the Gel X on, you can kind of see the little bit of the sparkles peeking through. Not as much as I would have liked, but I was kind of going for that underneath to have a little bit of sparkle as well. You guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this set, and if you are starting to do brighter nails for either you or your clients, I would love to know if we're transitioning into that yet. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you're subscribed for more coming out very soon. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.